My backaches that I've been experiencing, and I believe I have talked about them in the previous videos. At one point it got up to like a 8 or a 9 out of 10, like if you're using that scale of pain, just like a stabbing in the lower right side of my back. I went to see a chiropractor. I think I've had 3 visits with her so far. So I went on a Friday, a Tuesday, and then a Friday again, and then this coming up Tuesday I see her again. So she started off slow, got a little more aggressive during the next sessions where they actually loosened the muscles up with pressure, and then she actually cracked my back, and I'm like, that is exactly what I feel like I've needed to do for the last 2 or 3 months. So it started on my right side of my back, and then it kind of evened out, and then the pressure is just like along my whole lower back. It's not just localized and stabbing in one area anymore, which she said that's how it usually does. It like levels out, and then you start to get full pain relief. So I'm pretty happy with the chiropractic results. I highly suggest, if that is something that you have the option of doing, if you have back pain, definitely go see a chiropractor, because it's not something that was ever suggested to me. I do have scoliosis also, and she just works really well. The chiropractor that I go to was actually referred to me from my OB/GYN office, and they are actually really close in distance to where I go for all of my prenatal appointments. The cool thing about her is she sees a lot of pregnant women, so if you can find a chiropractor that works with pregnant women, that's even better, because I mean that made me feel more confident with her twisting and popping my spine. She also had this pillow where, you know, the boobs are cut out and the belly's cut out, so that when you're laying flat, it's comfortable still. The first time I went, it was about 30 minutes. She got to know me. From there on, it's just like quick in and out, 15-minute appointments. Works her little magic hand, and I'm out of there. And I have nothing but good things to say. One more thing about the chiropractor. When I left last visit, she told me about a stretch that stretches your piriformis muscle, which is a muscle that attaches from, I think, your sacrum to the top of your femur bone, which is also like your thigh bone. What you do is you take your leg, cross it on top of the other knee, and you sit up straight, and you actually push down on your knee. And she said you can actually like push up like this and give some resistance, but when you're pushing down like this, and if you do that, you could feel the stretch in the back of your glute here, or like, I guess it's deep in your bottom, in your buttocks. So just doing that really helps. Or another one, you know, lay on the ground and actually pull this leg up like this. Can't really do it. And then you can, that's like more of the back of the thigh, but doing this actually stretches the back piriformis muscle. So thanks again for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that little bell to get notifications when I post my next one. And